Hello everyone. If you are preparing for TCS NQT 2026, then this video can literally increase your chances of clearing the coding round. In this video, I am going to solve real previous year TCS NQT coding questions of 2025 on September day, slot 1 and slot 2 questions with the same pattern and same difficulty level. And trust me, if you practice these properly, you will be ahead of 80% of the candidates. Before we start, comment below, are you preparing for Ninja, Digital or Crime? And don't skip the video because the last question is slightly tricky and very important. Okay, let's start. Now let's solve this problem. Actually, the problem statement says John has assigned a tricky homework problem in his digital logic class. He must solve the problem before the next class begins. The problem is a positive integer is given as input. Convert it into binary, toggle all bits and return the positive integer value. Actually, what we have to do, there is an input 10. We can write 10 in binary 1010. Now, actually, we have to flip those bits 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. 1 to 0, 0 to 1. Now it becomes 5. We have to return it. Okay. How can we solve it? Actually, now see, there are 4 bits in 10. Okay, there are 4 bits in 10, and when we write 8, it becomes 1000. Actually, there are also 4 bits in 10. If we got 1111 here, if we XOR this particular number with 1111 with same number of bits, what it becomes? 10 one, 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. You know, in XOR operator, if we 1 XOR 0, it becomes 1, and if we 1 XOR 1, it becomes 0. Okay, so if we XOR this number with the 1111 with same number of bits, it actually flips the bits, and this is our answer. We can simply return it. Okay. Now what's the option? Actually, what we have to find? We have to find number of bits in this particular number. Okay. How can we find that? If we multiply the 10 by 2, actually we are finding the bits actually in multiplying by 2. Okay, like 2 5s are 10, remainder 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder 1. 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. What it becomes? 1010. We can easily get it by dividing the number by 2. Okay, now we take a counter bit. How can we now do that? 10 divided by 2, it becomes 5. First bit will be 0, move it to 1. Divide by 0, it becomes 2. 2 to the 4. Okay, move it to 2. 2 divided by 2, it becomes 1. Move it to 3. 1 divided by 0, it becomes 0. Okay, any number in programming, if you divide 1 by 2, it becomes 0. Okay, if the first number is less and the denominator is bigger than the first number, then it becomes 0. Okay, yeah, and uh, we one time multiply by 2, increase 1. Second time, increase again 1. Third time, increase again with 1. Fourth time, increase again with 1. Now the number when becomes 0, pause it, and this is the number of bits we can get easily. Okay, there is a simple formula how can we make it, basically dividing by 2. And once we get the number, now what we can do, like here we get 4 number of bits. Now 10 to the power 4, it becomes 16. Okay. If we minus 1 from it, it becomes 15. What we can calculate? If we calculate 2 to the power number of bits, here is number of bits is 4. 2 to the power 4 minus 1, it means 16 minus 1, 15. How can we write 15 in binary? 1 1 1 1 actually. Okay. Now if we XOR with any of the number, like if we XOR it with 8, 1000. Actually, this is 8 and this is 15. Okay. Now XOR with this 1010. 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Now bits are flipped and this becomes 1 plus 2 plus 4. Okay, 4 to say actually 4 to 6 plus 1 7. It becomes now 7. Okay, let's code it. How can we solve it? We take n as a input. Okay, we take n as a input, and now what we can do? We take bit first, it is equal to 0, and we take a temp. Okay, equal to 1. We do not want to lose n. Okay, now while actually temp greater than 0. Now what we do? Temp is equal to temp right shift by 1. Right shift means decreasing the bits. Okay, like 10 is 1010. In in first time it becomes, this bit is decreased, it becomes 101. Now what it becomes? 4 plus 1 5. Okay, again next time one bit is decreased, it becomes 10. What it becomes? 2. Now again one bit decreased, it becomes 1. Now again it one bit decreased, it becomes 0. Okay, and not closing, we do here bit plus plus. Okay, now what it becomes? Uh, every time the temp is decreased, bit plus plus. Okay, now we find the number of bits in that particular number. After that, we can create a bits binary uh, binary form. Okay, we can take any name of that number. I'm just taking a casual name. Binary form, and we have to actually do 2 to the power number of bit. Okay, we have to do 2 to the power number of bit and minus 1. Okay, we have to do 2 to the power number of bit minus 1. It becomes 1111 also for every bit. Now this become 1111 for every bit, and the our actual answer is binary form XOR with the original number n. Okay, now our answer becomes the final resultant. Simply we print the answer. Now this is our final answer. Okay, now I hope you understand the problem. How can we solve it? It is a easy problem also, or we can say it is a medium level problem, not hard problem. Okay, now let's move to the next problem. What it says. Actually, next problem is saying Arjun loves participating in an online gaming tournament that happens every Sunday. It's his favorite day because he gets to compete with other players from all over the country. At the beginning of every month, Arjun checks how many tournament days he will get within next n days. The month can start on any day of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Basically, Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, Tuesday is 3, and so on. Okay. Your task is to help Arjun calculate how many Sundays will occur within the next n days, starting from the given first day of the month. Like in input, there is a string and there is a input number. We have to predict if the month starts with Monday, then next 13 days, how many Sundays actually? Okay. If the month starts with Monday, in the next 13 days, how many days will be Sundays? Okay. There will be 2 Sundays, so that answer is 2. Let's see how can we find it. There is a SUN. SUN means Sunday. Its value is 1. Monday 2, and Tuesday 3, Wednesday 4, Thursday 5, Friday 6, and Saturday 7. Okay. Now how can we solve it? First, what we have to take a string. Yes. Okay. We have to take it as an input. and an integer value n. Okay, integer value n. We have to take one string and one integer value. Okay, now how can we solve it basically? Let's see. There is an integer value n. Okay, if the month start with Monday, means what is the value of Monday? 2, and the total days is 13. If we minus 13 minus 2, what it becomes? Oh, actually, sorry, not 13 minus 2. There are total 7 days in a week. If we minus 7 minus 2, it is 5. Okay. Now on fifth day, it will be actually Sunday. Okay. On fifth day, it will be actually Sunday. Okay. So it means we can, if remove 13 minus 5, it becomes 8. Okay. We remove first Sunday from this and Sunday plus plus. Okay. It means Sunday is equal to now become 1 because we already calculated one Sunday from this 13. Okay. Now total days remaining is 8. If we divide by 7, what it becomes? 7 divided by 8. The actual answer is 1. We plus it in 1. Like 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, now let's solve this for next. There is actually Wednesday, month starting from Wednesday, and the value of n is 20. Okay, now what is the value of Wednesday? Actually 4. Value of Wednesday is 4. Means if we 7 minus 4, what it becomes? 3. It means if the month start with Wednesday, now in next 3 days, on the third day, actually it is Sunday. Okay, on the third day after the Wednesday, it will be Sunday. If we minus 3 from this number, 17 days remaining. Okay, third day will be Sunday. So we minus the first Sunday from this number. Now, what is the number of Sundays? We actually calculated 1. We plus it 1. And total number of days remaining 17 divided by 7. What is the answer? 7 to the 14. We can not consider 3, which is remainder. Now 2, 1 plus 2, actually 3. Total number of Sundays will be 3. This is the output. I hope you understand this question. This is also a easy level, or we can say basically it is a easy level question, and we can solve it in order of 1 basically. Okay, without any extra space. Now I don't think so. We have to code it basically. It is a very usual question. We have to take an input s and take an input n. Just minus the first. Just minus the. Just put the value. If the string value is sun, then put it as 1. If mon, put it as 2. Assign a value to the everyday and just minus first minus it from the minus is from the weekday, means total 7 minus the num what is the number in which month start, like here Monday means 2. After that what we get 5, just minus 5 from the actual number n minus 5, like in 13 minus 5 it becomes 8. Okay, just after that divide it by 7. What is the value? It means 7, 8 divided by 7, it is 1. Just plus it, plus 1 in the answer. It is your final answer. Okay, now let's move to the next question. A group of trekkers is climbing a long mountain trail. Each trekker's height in meters is recorded in an array of size n in the order they are standing. A trekker is considered visible from the base camp if they are taller than all the trekkers standing before them. The first tracker is always visible. Okay, remember that the first tracker is always visible. Your task is to determine how many trackers are visible from the base camp. Basically, the first tracker is always visible, so our answer start with 1. Okay, now 4 is visible or not? Actually, this is the length we can consider. Length of this particular pole is 7. For this pole, it is the length is 4. Okay, if we see it from here, it is visible or not? No, so we do not consider this in our answer. Now 8 8 is bigger than 7. Actually we look at, then it will be, we can see that, okay, because 8 is bigger than 7, so it we consider it in our answer. After that 2 is another small number. It is also not visible when we see. Okay, so we did not consider it in our answer. After 9, actually 9, now we can see 9 also from the start. Okay, so that there is another, we can consider it our answer. Actual answer 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will be 3. So that the final answer is 3. I think you understand the problem. This is also an easy level problem, but it will be asked in medium TCS hard question. Okay, this problem is asked in hard question in TCS. Okay, now how can we solve it? Actually, n is equal to 5 here, and the array is 7, 4, 8, 2, 9. After, how can we code that? Okay, we take max. Value of max is array of 0. Array of 0 means for this time it is 7. Okay, for this time it is 7, and we take a answer is equal to 1, because our answer is always start with 1, because we can also always see the first element, first pole, we can say. Okay, now we do a for loop. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, now if our ARR of I, let's say this is ARR, okay, this array's name. If ARR of I is greater than max, means the next number greater than the our max number. Our current max number is 7. If the next array number is greater than the max number, then max is equal to ARR of I. Okay, and answer plus plus. If the number is bigger, then we can consider it in our answer, answer plus plus. Now just print answer here. Let's try run it. First the max is equal to 7. Okay, now I is here. 4, what it check? 4 greater than 7? No, I move. 8 greater than 7, 8 greater than 7? Yes. Then max 8, answer plus plus makes answer 2. I move. Now 2 is greater than 8. False. The condition false. Block didn't run. Now again I move. 9. 9 is greater than 8. It is 2. Make it 9 and make it 3. Now I again move. Loop break. Final answer printed here, which is 3. Okay. Now that's how you can solve the problems easily. These are the previous year problem from September month 2025. Slot 1 and slot 2 questions. Okay. If you want this type of questions, then please be with us, connect with us.